This is by far one of the best suites I've ever stayed in. Hey y'all, it's Koala bringing you quality content on the life of a cruiser. And today we are going to be taking a look at the Penthouse Suite on board Celebrity Beyond. Now before we even stepped on board, we already got amazing amenities and accommodations, food, drinks, a private lounge, priority boarding. Of course, these are pretty common with suite experiences, but I have to say, already off to an amazing start. So when it's finally time to start heading up to your room, you'll actually be escorted up there. It's going to be located on deck 12, of course, room 12110. You can actually use your stateroom key to open the door. You can just tap it, makes it super easy. Now I have to say, entering this room, it's breathtaking, absolutely. This room is actually really unique in the way that you can actually control a lot of things with your app. On your phone, you can change the temperature, the lighting, you can open and close the blinds or the curtains, and actually turn on and off the TV, change the channels, whatever you need. Each room is actually individually controlled. So if you want a cooler room than your suite partners want, then you can actually change the guest bedroom to whatever temperature you want without affecting other people. I will say a really nice size guest bedroom. This is the room that we're currently in. Lots of vanity space, lots of counter space too. You actually have access to the balcony through the guest bedroom, and of course it actually has a safe in the wardrobe. Lots of shelves in here too. In the bathroom, technically it can actually accommodate 2 people. It has plenty of rack space, plenty of counter space, and drawer space as well. They have their own amenities that they'll provide you. A lot of it is peppermint based. I will say you can get a dental kit, there is body wash, shampoo, conditioner, you name it, and 2 rain shower heads in the shower. It's a very nicely sized shower, I will say. So definitely really spacious for anyone staying in the guest bedroom. There is actually a mirror right behind the door. It's a full-size mirror, so you can definitely take a look at your whole entire outfit before you head on to your day, and of course that thermostat. Now I have to say, of course, this living room and kitchen area is stunning. If you want to entertain guests here or your family and friends, you absolutely have the space for it. The TV is very nice, good size, lots of sitting options if you want to sit on the couch, if you want to sit on a chair. And we'll discover a little bit more too, especially when we get to that balcony area in a little bit. You'll see this charging block. I have to say it's really useful, especially if you didn't bring adapters. There are a few USB ports in there. And of course your telephone in case you need to call room service. You have that at your convenience. You'll find quite a few of them throughout the stateroom. Now you do have the kitchen, I'd say like a mini bar. You have lots of options for drinks. You can always ask for any other ones too. You can make a coffee here, and there's a lot of space here actually. Now with suites, you can actually request certain drinks to be put in the mini fridge, and so the ones that you see in here may not necessarily be the ones that you get, but of course there are plenty of options, and you will always have water as well. There's a lot of shelf space here and a few drawers, I will say. I would be careful just because some of these shelves are dedicated to glassware, so you definitely don't want to accidentally break any of those or get in the way of those for your cabin crew. Now, we honestly did not need to use many of the drawers here in the kitchen because with a lot of these rooms in this cabin particularly, the storage is well optimized. It's very efficiently placed and it's very well thought out. Sometimes with cabins, it doesn't seem that way, but with this one, it's definitely not the case. Everything is very intentional. You'll see charging outlets on both sides of the bed, as well as drawers on both sides as well. You'll have the TV across from the bed, and a little bit of storage here too if you need it, but honestly, we really did not need it. You'll actually be able to divide the bedroom from the living room too, if you so desire. You want a little bit less noise, or just a separation if you want. You'll have this wardrobe here. Now, this is an absolutely stunning little space. It's like a little nook, actually. You'll have a vanity, you'll have some storage there, you'll find another charging block too. There's going to be a safe, there's going to be plenty of drawers, and even if you want to use, you have an umbrella and binoculars at your disposal. So, this is a very nice little area to prep before dinner. The bathroom is absolutely stunning. You'll have the toilet, you'll have a bidet, you'll have some storage above the toilet, as well as a phone in case of emergencies. Lots of places to hang your towel. This is what I would call the primary sink, if you will. There's going to be drawer space, there's going to be amenities that you can use, those dental kits as well, plus a charging outlet too. And the mirror lights up as well, which is very nice and handy when you're prepping for a nice evening out. The shower only has one shower head, but I would say it is definitely more spacious inside. Nice stainless steel appliances, and of course the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash if you want to utilize what they provide for you. Now, I have to say, it is a very elegant bathroom, and I'm going to talk about that jacuzzi in just a second, but this is going to be the second sink. It's going to have about the same counter space, actually, featuring many of the exact same things the primary sink has as well. Alright, so here we are. Now we have the bathtub slash jacuzzi. It is stunning. It is one of my favorite parts of this cabin. You have beautiful views, mirrors. You can actually see out into the veranda, which I will talk about in a second. And you can actually change the lights in the tub if you want to have a little disco party, if you will. Then you have this veranda. It is very nice. It's very cute. If you don't want to get humid and you don't want to be outside, this is a really nice way to feel like you're outside without all of that temperature change. Then, of course, you have the balcony. Now, like I said earlier, you can actually access the balcony from the guest bedroom. Otherwise, the main entrance will be in the living room, and it is very nicely spaced out. Lots of chairs. So that is the Penthouse Suite on board Celebrity Beyond.